Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a review on this Louis Vuitton Palm Springs backpack in a size MM. So this one, I would say pretty much in a medium size backpack. And I have this for a year and I totally love it. So this is my only backpack in my Louis Vuitton collection, and most of the time I used it for traveling. So anyway, let me show you the detail of it. So this bag is actually made up of a monogram coated canvas. So pretty much all around it. Alright, so this one features a front pocket zippered pouch. So right here, and I don't know, for some reason, this one has this overlapping flap, and I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. I know that for the PM, there is an issue with the overlapping flap, and this one, for some reason, this one is more of like a remodeled, so the flap is no longer covering the zipper right there, and I love it. I think it's so easy to open and it's perfect actually. So anyway, let me go back to the front pocket. Over here, there is a logo, says Louis Vuitton Paris. And like I've mentioned earlier, I totally dislike this overlapping flap. When you open it, you have to lift the flap like that, and the opening isn't really that generous at all. Yeah, so it's a little tight, but it is a nice pocket, but it's not as, I don't know, when I access it, this part right here really bothers me more than anything else. But anyway, that's probably, they put it this way to at least cover up the zipper pull. So I think for security reasons when you use it as a backpack. And then this came in with this 2 zipper pull, which is in shiny gold hardware. And this one has a single handle over here if you want to carry it with the handle. Sometimes I do that. And then let's take a look at the side. Right here, this one, it's still in perfect condition, and probably I used this probably a couple of times, and this bag is very, very comfortable on your shoulder. So this has this padded backing right here, the shoulder strap, which is very comfortable on your shoulder with a combination of a cowhide leather trim. Right here, this is very, very comfortable on your shoulder, and I love it so much. So this is how it would look at the back. Let's take a look at on the side. So each of these sides doesn't have a pocket. All right. And then right here at the bottom, you could just adjust this over here. And then another thing that I've noticed for this bag, I'm not sure if you own one of these. I'm not sure if, I don't remember if I've seen a video that they talk about this backpack features, or they even used it. But it says there is a scarf loop right here. So which means that you could just hang your scarf. This one is a little bit long, and I am not sure about this feature right here. And A scarf loop. I'm not really 100% sure if I want to hang a scarf over here. I don't know. I can't even imagine for any reason, but I'm not really sure why it's necessary for them to put this loop out here, right here at the bottom. So this one is a handle right here, so you could carry, but this one, I'm not really sure about it. I'm not really sure about that. So anyway, let's take a look at the inside. I just moved this stuffing, and without the stuffing, this is how the bag would look. It's very, very soft, and the zipper is very smooth. And let's take a look at inside. So this one has this black textile lining. Right here, I still have, I think, yeah, I put the dust bag as part of the stuffing. And then it's very, very spacious. It is just one open compartment right there. It is wide open. And it has a compartment, a slip pocket right here inside. And then it's just large compartment right here. And this is just a product information. And then it is this one. I got the one that is made in Italy. Okay, so this one is it's in blind, this one is blind stamp. And yeah, this is just pretty much what's inside. There is no organization at all. It's pretty simple, and the interior lining seems a little bit it almost feels like silk. I mean, it's very shiny. It's not really silk, but it has those shiny look to it. But it's not, I like it. I like it. Sometimes I think some of the fabric that they use, it's a little bit rough. But this one, it's not. So yeah, it is really pretty. It is so good. And one thing that I love about this bag, it's like usually when I'm traveling in the past, I usually carry my Speedy 40. And sometimes I carried my Speedy Bandolier. And that's because now I'm no longer carrying them. When I traveled, especially in an overseas traveling, that's because at the end of the day, it hurts my shoulder. So just with one strap in my shoulder, really, after at the end of the day, it just feels like there's so much weight. I'm carrying a lot of weight on my shoulder, whereas with the backpack, because it has two straps, and you put this on both of your shoulders, so pretty much the weight are evenly distributed on both shoulders, and for that reason I do not feel so much pressure in my shoulders. So that's what I love about this. And this one is padded, whereas the Speedy Bandolier, the Keepall, those are not padded at all. They are not comfortable as this padded shoulder strap. And yeah, I really love it. The canvas is great. It's very shiny. It is soft. It feels nice, definitely. So yeah, this is and also with the wear and tear, I have this one for a while, and I could not speak with the wear and tear. Like I've mentioned, I only used this a few times, and pretty much I have not seen any wear on this, and pretty much it's in great or new condition. So maybe in the next few years, I will come back and let you know if I have a lot of wear in this. And yeah, that is just the only reason really when I traveled overseas, I would love to wear this backpack. And it's gorgeous. And it is very, very light. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.